we are going to cover the whole exercise of 1.4 rational numbers from Frank textbook. Watch this till the end. So I've listed all the questions here. Let's look at them one by one. First one, product of two rational numbers is minus 8 by 9. If one of them is 10 by 3, find the other. Now when you get confused whether to divide or multiply, add or subtract in word problems, use this trick. Just replace these complex numbers like fraction, decimal with very simple numbers. So let's try this. Just write with a pink pen. So this is not the actual solving, it's just we are assuming. Let's replace them with simple numbers. So let's say product of two rational numbers is 6. Let's say if one of them is 3, find the other. That's correct. Answer is 2. How did you guess that? So when you replace complex numbers with simple numbers, it instantly clicks in your mind how to solve it. So we just have to divide it. So 6 by 3 we got 2. Now for the actual sum, we got the hint that we have to divide. So we can simply just do division. So we'll get minus 8 by 9 divided by 10 by 3. Now we want to change this into multiplication, so we'll reciprocal this. Minus 8 by 9 multiplied by 3 by 10. 9, 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So we'll just multiply now. So minus 4 by 15. 4, 3 into 5, 15. Next, divide the sum of 2 by 9 and 4 by 7 by their difference. Okay, let's decode this properly. If there's a complex sentence, let's break it down. First, you should break it down. So divide the sum of 2 by 9 and 4 by 7. So sum of 2 by 9 and 4 by 7. This is 1 unit. This whole thing is 1 unit. So first we have to solve the bracket. First we have to add this. Then we have to divide this number by their difference. So difference is nothing but the subtraction of these two. So we'll get 2 by 9 minus 4 by 7. So difference is this. So this is, let's say, A and this is B. Once we get the sum and once we get the difference, then we have to divide them. Divide the A by B. So sum is, when we add, we get 50 by 63. Difference we get minus 22 by 63. 50 by 63 divided by minus 22 by 63. If you want to change division to multiplication, we have to reciprocal this. So we'll get 50 by 63 into 63 upon minus 20. This is cut 225 to minus 11. So answer is minus 25 by 11. Next one. What must be subtracted from minus 9 by 14 to get 11 by 18? Okay. Now same trick we'll use which we used in the first one. So we'll assume these are simple numbers. So let's say this is 10 and let's say this is 6. What must be subtracted from 10 to get 6? Answer is 4. So we know this minus this. So this will come first minus this. So let's solve that. Minus 9 by 14 minus 11 by 18. We'll take LCM 126 over here and this will be multiplied by 9 and 7. So we'll get minus 81 minus 77, which comes out to be minus 158 upon 126. Let's cancel with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18. 63 minus 79, so we'll get minus long division 63. So this is minus and 1. 63 ones are, and the remainder will be 16. So minus 1 16 by 63 is the answer. Next one, divide the sum of this and this by the product of this and this. Okay, again same thing. So this is one unit which we have to solve first. This is another unit we have to solve. There are two tricks. First one is to assume these numbers. Second trick is to just write them as units. So this is one unit, solve this, another unit, solve this, and then do whatever is given. So first we have to add these two. What will we get? Let's add them. 5 by 9 plus minus 8 by 7, which is minus 8 by 7. Again, this will be 63. So into 7, into 7, into 9, into 9. So we will get 35 minus 72 upon 63, which is minus 37 upon 63. The product of this will be 40 upon 21. Product is 40 upon 21. Now we have the sum and product, so we just have to divide. The sum will come first, so minus 37 upon 63 divided by this. So we can just write multiplied by reciprocal, 21 by 40. Now we can cancel by 3, 21, 3, 7, 7, 3s are 21. So we will get minus 37 upon 120. Now the last one, the sum of two rational numbers is 8 by 25. If one of them is 4 by 15, find the other. Same trick. Sum of two rational numbers, let's say 10. If one of them is, let's say 4, find the other. So we just have to subtract this. Let's do that. So 8 upon 25 minus 4 upon 15. Now, so this will be into 3, into 3. This will be into 5, into 5. This will come out as 24 minus 20, the whole upon 75. Then 24 minus 20 is 4 by 75. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.